Have you ever wondered how to make an affiliate program? Do you often wonder how to lead the affiliate program to work for you? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of increasing the revenue by using an affiliate program for yourself? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about learning to make an affiliate program work for you. Now let's get into it. Why choose affiliate? You're interested in starting up a small business of your own. You're looking for something with reasonable startup costs and, of course, something that you can get all fired up about. You have a plan in mind and you would really like to see your financial life turn around over the next 6 to 12 months. Have you looked into learning to make an affiliate program work for you? Why choose affiliate marketing? Believe it or not, affiliate marketing can produce some impressive results in a reasonable amount of time. Joining an affiliate program can be a very sensible step for someone who wants to grow a small business but lacks the resources to start from scratch. Fortunately for you, that's most people. Learning to make an affiliate program work for you. Affiliate programs are basic small businesses that allow you to resell a product or service that already exists. The company is happy you decided to help them market their product or service, so they will pay you a percentage for helping out. You receive the right to market their product and start your own small business. You get to start out with a professional website, a reputation, and resources all at your fingertips. For a brand new small business owner, that's pretty impressive. The bottom line is you are looking for that very valuable referral fee. The referral fee is what the company will pay you, and most will pay you a referral fee twice. Your first referral fee is for anyone who stops by your website and makes a purchase. Most people consider this a commission. Your second referral fee is where the money can really add up. The company is also really happy that you told Bruce and Kate about their company and how they could make money as well. Bruce and Kate liked the idea, so they decided to join the affiliate program too. Now you're also profiting from the sales that they make on their websites as well. The company is happy, you're happy, and Bruce and Kate are happy. Basic affiliate procedure. Learning to make an affiliate program work for you. Small business affiliate styles all have a few basic ingredients regardless of which plan you decide to market. For starters, you have to sell something. If you are selling something, you can put your confidence into your small business and grow faster because you will ultimately be more committed to it. You will need people to sample and look at your stuff to decide if they want to buy it. If it's an awesome product or service, they will want to buy it. How do you get people to come and look at your stuff? Don't expect to be swarmed with traffic just because you went through the process of joining an affiliate program. You have to do some advertising. You need to scatter your link as far and wide over the internet as possible. Some people already have a website that they promote and simply link their affiliate program through the site. This is one way to promote your small business, and it works if you have enough traffic hitting your small business website. Others get the word out there through various forms of advertising. If your affiliate webpage is the only small business website you have, then you're going to learn the art of promotion. If you have been promoting your website and have done so successfully, then you are already familiar with at least some form of advertising. Do not get discouraged when you have placed half a dozen internet advertisements and your site isn't overloading the server. It takes some time and trial and error to really get your advertising to work for you. When it does, your small business won't be looking quite so small any longer. Learning to make an affiliate program work for you. The bottom line to profiting the small business through affiliate marketing is people. The more people you have coming to look at your stuff, the more people are going to purchase, and the more your referral fee will be at the end of the month or quarter, however your program pays. The more people who like what you're doing and want a slice of the small business affiliate pie, the more money you'll make because they will be working to put money in their pocket and yours. Showing others how joining an affiliate program can be profitable will be part of your overall marketing costs. Effective affiliate marketing is based on the principle of shared revenue. In order to capitalize on this principle, you have to learn effective marketing skills. The more effective your marketing, the more your referral fee will be when the totals are calculated. Effective affiliate marketing can seem like an overwhelmingly large task to learn. The truth is, nearly anyone can learn effective affiliate marketing if you take it basic step by basic step. Choosing an affiliate program to effectively market. By now you see the potential for reasonable income potential by joining an affiliate program. Now it's time to choose the program that will work for you. Unfortunately, there are literally hundreds of thousands if not millions of affiliate programs out there to join. How do you know which program is right for you? Learning to make an affiliate program work for you. Research. And I mean a lot of research. Don't rush into joining an affiliate program because it's the first one you found that seems to make sense out there. Compare things like startup costs and of course the referral fee percentage. Is it something that excites you, or will you more than likely dread marketing it within the first month? Be careful of contracts. Although it's the truth about any contract you will ever sign in your life, approach any contract with extreme skepticism and read every ounce of the fine print before even considering slapping a signature on one. Better yet, seek out an affiliate program that doesn't require a contract. Contracts tend to only benefit the company. Typically they are requiring a monthly fee to allow you to resell their product or services for a stipulated amount of time. That means if you decide that affiliate marketing just isn't going to work for you, your credit card will still be charged every month until the time limit has expired. Referral fees vary greatly, and how many tiers a program pays varies as well. Make sure the program you are looking at offers the best referral arrangement possible. They are each going to require about the same amount of effort, so you might as well aim high. Although most affiliate programs do, make sure that the company handles things like the product, drop shipping, and of course paying out the referral fee. Once upon a time, there were a few companies who paid only the person at the head of the downline, and they were responsible for paying downward. If you received a check for $3,000, you had to pay the people under you their share. If you never received a check, you were still liable to pay your people. Fortunately, companies no longer take this approach. Small business success. Learning to make an affiliate program work for you. No matter what any advertisement tries to convince you otherwise, there is only one thing that will lead you and your small business to success. There is no secret and magical formula. Successful small business affiliates are plain and simply hardworking and persistent. You have to keep at it. You will not have overnight success, and you will have to decide if the extra work is worth the reward in the end. Most people believe that is, which is why affiliate programs are the fastest growing internet marketing plan out there. Joining a solid affiliate program can lead you to success. Joining an affiliate program can change the shape of your financial future. It takes dedication to get you there, but anything worthwhile takes effort. By planning out your strategy and sticking to the basic notion of more people equals more sales, which equal more success, you are eventually bound to find the small business success you are looking for through affiliate marketing. Don't be fooled into thinking there is any such thing as easy money. A successful affiliate small business can be much easier money than the 9-to-5 work-a-day world, but there will be some skill and certainly some effort involved. Before you start, make a habit out of gathering all the information you can to make your journey to small business success as short and enjoyable as possible. If you are looking for more information regarding small business success or affiliate marketing, I highly recommend stopping by the Affiliate Pit website. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about learning to make an affiliate program work for you. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.